Alrighty, I am talking weather, everybody, and I've got a great image here in Holland. How about this? The sky completely blue. We'll take that. Grand Rapids, a few more clouds have been drifting on by recently, but also I'd say a darn good amount of sunshine. The past hour and a half did have that phase where it became cloudy in GR for a stretch, but not quite as long as it's been cloudy in Battle Creek and Kalamazoo. You're going to see a brightening of the skies, though, as we go over the next, say, 2 hours and beyond. It'll be a fair amount of sun for you, and you will jump into the 50s before all is said and done. Stanton, Comstock Park, not a bad look for this middle day of our work week here. And moving along, not far from the month of April. You know, we haven't had a real cool March, I wouldn't say, but it hasn't been dramatically warm either. When do we get that day where we jump into the 60s to maybe 70 degrees? It can happen this time of year, but not quite showing up in the 7-day. We'll see how it plays out as we go into the month of April. You see the most cloud cover over the central portions of the lower peninsula of Michigan, and that includes Ionia, Battle Creek, Kalamazoo. You get to Grand Rapids, better sun along the lakeshore. I just showed you that live image from Holland, and the icon, yeah, it agrees. Full sunshine, temperatures in the mid-40s. Winds are on the light side out of the south, occasionally out of the southeast here still. Battle Creek, but these will turn more to the southwest with time and continue on around 10 miles per hour. 54 degrees will reach late in the game today. The atmosphere is milder than it was yesterday, no doubt about it, and will reach its peak warmth by about 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Hold there, actually, so it will be mild this evening. Even into the overnight will be running in the mid-40s or so by daybreak tomorrow. Watch the model. This is the European model. I'm running it out. It shows you the sunshine here today. And then there's this weak system that's going to be clipping on by with just some light moisture, but on a trajectory for the northern half of the lower peninsula and into the upper peninsula, where even some snow showers will occur. On the southern extent of this system, it can drag a few sprinkles, maybe a brief light shower in here after midnight. I would say that would be the focus towards 4 or 5 in the morning. Very, very light amounts, though. We're not talking about much in the way of rainfall. You go later tomorrow afternoon, another weak disturbance will pass to our south after a number of hours of dry weather on Thursday. We will see some showers break out. I would say Grand Rapids somewhere 3, 4, 5 o'clock into the evening. That'll likely deposit a bit more, maybe a 1/4 of an inch, perhaps even more towards the Indiana line. That's gone early on Friday, so most of Friday's dry. But this system I've been talking about for Saturday and Sunday will be creeping closer, throwing some initial light showers our way overnight Friday into Saturday morning. Probably a lull, I would think, in that precipitation for a stretch by late morning and early afternoon before the real wave of rain comes in at some point Saturday afternoon into the evening. Of course, we're still a few days away, but it does look like we will get a heavier bout of rain, maybe even a thunderstorm or two, and it will be windy Saturday into Sunday. Look at the winds. This is for later Saturday evening on southerly flow. Temperature's going to rise to around 60 degrees, maybe in the lower 60s briefly. Before it does go colder into Sunday, you can see the rain amounts rather significant between where we stand right now and the end of the weekend. 1 inch to 1.25 inches. Maybe somebody even gets a bit more than that. Cooler on Sunday, but rebounding. Mike, not bad. 50s, sunshine, Monday, Tuesday.
Thank